The United States is literally disappearing innocent people, and we're not talking enough about it. First of all, if you're a Democratic pundit who says don't talk about immigration, kindly fuck off. You may have heard recently about Trump's deportation of hundreds of Venezuelans from the US to El Salvador. Citing a wartime law from 1789 called the Alien Enemies Act, the Trump administration deported 261 Venezuelans that they labeled as gang members to El Salvador without a single court hearing. The Trump administration didn't have the authority to do this, which is why a federal judge ordered them to turn the plane around, but they didn't do it. They defied the court order. The Trump administration is looking for a fight on this centuries-old law because they want the Supreme Court to grant him unlimited powers over immigration. But in their quest to give Trump more power, they're committing some of the most heinous acts of cruelty in our country's name. One of the supposed Tren de Aragua gang members is a 23-year-old gay makeup artist named Andre, who came to this country legally, seeking asylum. But when Andre presented himself at the border, immigration officials flagged his tattoos as potentially gang-related. That's right, they thought this man was a ruthless gang member. Andre had a scheduled court date, but in the middle of the night, he was disappeared along with 260 other people to a notorious prison camp in El Salvador. A reporter who covered the transfer said that Andre was sobbing when a guard pushed him to the ground, saying, "I'm not a gang member, I'm gay, I'm a barber." But that didn't stop them from putting him in chains, shaving his head, and kicking and shoving him until he was no longer the United States' problem. I don't care whether immigration is a winning political issue or not. These are human beings who are in our care, illegally disappeared without a shred of due process, all in an autocrat's pursuit of unlimited power. If you believe in the rule of law, then you believe in the right to due process. These people and countless others are being denied it, and our silence is their conviction, so share this video.